You hear that, Mark? I think we've got ourselves a new motor.
Dave and John have been hard at work taking apart the old motor and molding it into a new workhorse fit for any road warrior.
Time to hear it purr. Take it away, gentlemen. The time has come to give this pony some power.
It's kind of cool this year that we get to do a hot rod, a little bit of performance. In the past years, we really haven't done any kind of cams or anything. We just freshened bikes up and made them look pretty.
Right.
This year, it's kind of cool that we get to do what we want to do, is performance, and that's kind of what we do.
Your skilled hands start to lay out all the parts and pieces that will help elevate this motor to the next level. With prep complete, Dave and John get ready to do something that has never been done before on the Call Sam Chopper Shop. Total engine rebuild.
You want to just start by yanking that air cleaner off, and
Yeah, I can get that off real fast here.
I'll get these out of the way.
This isn't a rescue job, it's a performance rebuild. Every part pulled for a reason to push this machine beyond factory limits. They get to work removing the cam door so they can get to the heart of this beast. Finally, we've struck gold.
This is the door that houses all the cams. Doesn't look like it's in bad shape, so it was a good running motorcycle. The drive gear is bigger, the whole thing in a hole is bigger, so it gives more oil.
With new parts selected, it's time to oil, tighten, and align, so we can start putting this motor back together better than before. Tune in next episode as the team starts placing the final pieces to give this bike its signature sound.
Well, I guess let's try and see what's going on, see how it sounds.
Whoa! All I know is that whoever ends up with this bike is gonna have some power under
That
them.
is right, no kidding. This will be ready for some weekend trips all across the hidden gems of Michigan.
Make sure to score your raffle tickets. That's right. I said tickets as in plural. You can get more than one. Really ups your chances of winning the bike this September.
So head to callsam.com to get your tickets, plural, or to check out the events we'll be at all summer long.
You might even see my beautiful face there. Either way, we'll see you next time in the Call Sam Chopper Shop.